So here's my version of the Jamaican stewed chicken. Follow this recipe. Hopefully yours will turn out just as good as mine did. So first thing I did was marinate the chicken. And I did about, I think I did mine at 6 hours, but I believe the recipe that I had said that it would be a good idea to do it overnight. And so next time I do it, I'm going to try to do it overnight. So right now, all I'm doing is browning my chicken. So in this process here, your chicken is just browning. You're not cooking it all the way through. It's just browning. That's it. So you're going to brown both sides. And what I like most about this recipe is that it was very warming. So on those days where, you just need comfort food, this would be a great comfort food. So after I've browned my chicken on both sides, I'm going to remove it from the pan. And so here are my vegetables and my brown gravy that I had it marinating in. So I separated those because of this next process. So I'm removing the chicken from the pan. After I remove all of the pieces of the chicken from the pan, the next thing I want to do is add my vegetables to the pan and let those cook. All right, so the vegetables are in the pan. Stir them around, let them cook a little bit. They're not going to cook all the way through, but I just want all of the flavors to marry together, which is why I'm stirring everything around. And after I do this, I'm going to add my chicken back to the pan. You can even tell that this is a nice comforting, just with all of the colors and the broth and everything. You can tell that this is going to be a nice comforting recipe. Okay, so next I'm going to just stir all of this around and then add my brown gravy mix and water. And it's just going to cover the top of the chicken. Not more than that. So this is going to cook down for about 45 minutes. You have enough, and it'll be on low, but you have enough water in it for it to cook down slowly for about 45 minutes. So put it on between low to medium and allow it to cook down so the meat can get really tender and all of the flavors can marry together, and also the vegetables can cook. And so I serve this with rice